Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to Jeff Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorate this beautiful cupcake you are seeing. Are you interested? Make yourself comfortable. Let's get started. Guys, can you see? It's really easy to do. In case if you have a bar or a restaurant and you do have a cupcakes that you are selling, you can do something like this, what you are going to be seeing. When your customers see it, you attract more customers to your shops. It goes a long way. And sometimes you can as well bake your cupcake, decorate it for your kids. They will appreciate it. And if you are interested knowing how to bake a cupcake also, I also have it on my channel, and I will also put the link below for you to check. Just go ahead, give it a try. I believe you will love it. And to all my returning subscribers, in fact, you guys are wonderful. May God bless you all and grant you your whole heart desire in Jesus' name. And please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, what are you still waiting? Join this humble family by subscribing. I assure you, you have nothing to regret. This channel is loaded. Just scroll down to the channel. It will amaze you what you are going to see. Or if what you are expecting or what you are struggling over is not here, just drop it at my last video. Within a short time, I will deliver it to you. And it will also be a benefit to other people also. Please feel free to help me to share this video. Share it in all your platforms. Share it among your friends. This is just a simple way you can learn your cake decoration. Just go ahead. Put your comment below. Have you liked this video? Please, if you have not yet done so, pause this video. Just give it a big thumbs up. Like this video, guys. So let me leave you while you watch to the end. Don't forget to like the video. Help me to share on your platform. So see you soon again on my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.